sorry.
Small madam. Thank you very much. Small madam, thank you.
Small madam, you get what you enter my mind. No. Make it not come be like say all these small wish when I dey see for this compound. Make it not come be like say, oh God, don't go buy house where the better person put oh.
Oh, really?
Yes, so I dey tell you, you know say all these men, all these big men where you dey see, some of them they do something. Make they fit dey grow, make they fit dey do one or two for wetin dey give them money. I say make I tell you, you know say you na better person to me. Na make me say make I pour my mind. Na wetin me dey think o, no be say I know am o. I just think am.
It's all right. I will think about it. But for now, focus on your food.
Thank you, small madam. Thank you. Thank you very much.
We demand to know what happened.
Leave my clothes alone.
What are you saying? We demand to know what happened to our father. We need an explanation.
I don't know what madness is getting into your head. When I start now, you cannot.
No, stop! Bring it on! Bring it on! What's this tormenting of the man? This up! Arrange bring it on!
Are you talking to me? Like that? Come on, talk to me again.
Arrange! You're a murderer! You're a murderer! You're a murderer! You're a killer! Yes! You're a vampire! You killed our father! Look at him! God will punish you! Amen! That's what you want! Look at your eyes! You want to use us! Yes. You want to jam us! Our head is strong! Very strong! Look at our head will jam you! Amen! No, Dangote will jam him! Taylor is very small.
It's rather absurd, three of you, that you will let something you don't know about to bring this level of disintegration to your family. Eh? Arinze, you of all people, you let anger get you to a point that you had to lay hand on Chinwe. That's really debasing to your personality. And I'm really disappointed.
I'm sorry about that, bro. But I am really sick and tired of these two accusing me of something I know nothing about. It's becoming unbearable.
Arinze, that is women for you. They have their unique way of reasoning, and it differs with the way women think. Huh? You should be used to this. You've had these girls since as your younger sisters. You should be used to it. And for you, Chinwe and Nonya. Arinze is your blood brother. Your only blood brother for that matter. And the man of the house. So you guys cannot continue like you will not, in fact. And if there is any issue, it shouldn't come from the family members. Huh? And what kind of lawyer are you yourself? Chinwe. I don't want you. And you, Chinwe, it's like your own is even more lawyer. I don't know the kind of lawyer you will be. Arinze, you need to calm down.
More. I blame myself for bringing them from the village to the city.
Arinze.
That is why they have the guts to accuse me of killing my own father. More.
Excuse me, what did you just say?
You are next in line.
Did you hear him? Did you hear him? That we are next in line. Hey!
It's enough, it's enough.
It's okay.
I don't want that. I don't want that here, please.
Said. Okay? But you see this matter. I, Chinonyalum also Nabike, will get to the root of this matter. Even if it takes the last drop of my blood, I will see to it. I will see to it.
Mange, what is this? Sit down. And you, cho. One. Oh yeah, go.
Mukane blue bottle. Bring it on! Okay, bring it on! Drag it! You want to kill us both? Kill us and eat our corpse! Kill us!
Okay, you want to use us? You cannot though, my head is strong.
Yes!
In fact, I have coconut head. Okay, Lizzie? If I will sue you, I'm a lawyer. I will sue you for assault and battery.
You
Bring
sue
her,
Papa.
Papa. I will sue you, Papa.
Oh my God.
You took Papa and you built a mansion.
I will see you in court.
Let's tell the world.
Lawyer.
I will see you in court.
Tell her. Excuse me.
Nonsense.
It's enough.
Kill our and eat our cups.
Chinwan Nonya out, please.
Hey,
you too, can't you just shut your mouth up? Huh?
My head is too strong, you cannot use my head.
Your head now is too strong. Come on, Pueba. Arrange, go and sit down.
I will even sue you. I will sue you to court, okay? I will sue you.
No, here, make this kind of thing.
Agent Johnson speaking.
My brave and stubborn Eden Johnson, always on the hunt for the truth.
Please let me get to meet you.
My identity should not be more important than why I called, don't you think?
I see. So what's this call all about?
It appears you are looking into some places you shouldn't, and I advise you stop. There are some questions that can get one into serious trouble, you know. You warned.
You called.
Oh, yeah. Please sit. Okay, so I called to inform you both that I'll be going on a trip, a business trip, which will keep me away from home for about a week. In that time, I just want everything to be calm. I want you to take care of the house, no fracas, no scene of ghosts and apparitions. Just be good and take care of everything. I won't take long, like I told you earlier. It's just a business trip. In no time, I'll be back. But if you feel you are not comfortable staying here, I wouldn't mind calling my agent to look for an apartment for you to move into before I arrive. I just want us to be as a family.
Hey. Nonya, you have seen it. Is it not obvious that this man seated here wants us to leave this house? He is pushing us out of our own father's house. A house he built with our father's blood money. Oh no, Guego. Now, because you know we are investigating this matter, we're getting to the bottom of it. You want to push us out of the house. Okay? No, you want to take us out of this house. But it will not work for you, Amizi. Because you cannot use our head to do ritual. Oh no, Guego. That is what you are. It will not work.
See, my own is that I need to go to the village and meet my papa in the Lord. He needs to pray you out. Irene, tell us, how did you do this? Did you suck his bone marrow out? Did you slam him over the wall? How did you do it? How did you kill our father? Because he's screaming! He wants to scream at this house. How did you do it, Arize?
Look, if you both were not my blood sisters, I would have long flung you out of my fence.
Arize, Chelukwa, let me tell you. As for me, I've gathered my strength to fight you in court. I've gotten myself a job in the law firm. In case, Maro, you don't know I am ready for you, I will tell my other colleagues to help me fight you. You must be punished. Arize, I will send you to jail. Arize, you must suffer. I will send you to jail. Arize, you have threatened my life. You have threatened the life of my sister. You have killed our father. I am gathering the evidence against you. Arize, I am gathering the evidence. See you, nobody nenga.
I'm tolerating you because we are bound by blood. If not, you see the shit when you men at my house. And hey, I'm going upstairs to get some rest and prepare for my trip tomorrow. Decide what you want. You stay. If you don't want, pack your things and leave. Thank you.
You will not stay in this your house.
Yes, we are not homeless.
This house needs exorcism if you don't know.
We are not homeless.
Ah! Hey! I bind and cast you. Holy Ghost fire.
Evidence number one.
I bind and cast you.
Evidence number one.
You will not get us.
Evidence number one.
Did you hear what he said?
Nonye, this is evidence number 1, subsection 2. I have my evidence against you. Aris, I have my evidence.
I bind you.
Don't worry.
Jesus.
I will see you in court. It's a promise. I have my evidence.
No, we better leave.
No, I have my evidence. I'm recording it. I'm gathering more evidence against him. He cannot escape my wrath. That's dangerous.
War in the house. Someone in America. Ibapula Jamada no. Ibapula Jamoni lo. Matabanari Benanku Nenua. Asina Balona Jofia.
You look quite a bit under the weather. What's wrong with you?
I'm fine. Can we just skip this part, please?
You said you're fine, but you sound indifferent.
Johnson, I am good. Let's go straight to the point, please.
Okay. I'm glad you accepted the offer.
I don't get too excited. I can as well change my mind. I only accepted this job so that I can at least get myself distracted from this whole family issue.
Oh, this case is getting tough. More tough than I thought. Strange things are happening. More threatening calls are coming in insisting I drop this case, which makes it more interesting.
Threatening calls? By who?
Well, let's get you settled first. I'll give you the full details later, but first you tell me more about your family issues.
My family issues? You always like to welcome troubles. Please, let's go. No. You don't have to think of coming to my office. Whatever it is can be sorted out on the phone.
Very well then. There are new names I'm going to send to you. Take your time, go through them, then we'll go back on them tomorrow.
It seems you know this case.
You seem to know much about this case than I do.
Not really. Just that many innocent souls have suffered in the hands of this evil and powerful of the society.
It's alright, I will go through the files and get back to you. Or maybe we'll see later in the day, when I'm done from work.
Very well then, please do.
Alright, take care of yourself. I have to go now.
Don't conclude before you think very well before you.
Today I'm still surprised. When I remember what you said that very day, I told you how I was able to get Renewood's money to pay back. Then, it got me thinking that what you said might be truth.
My brother, it's only a fool that will say he or she does not hear nor know what these men of this our generation are capable of doing. Visit.
Despite who is involved, they don't want to know. All they want is money. They go catch.
But judging from the fact that this person is your own nephew we are talking about, how open can you be with this issue if it were to get out of hand?
On the side of the truth, I shall stand. Come rain, come sunshine. No matter who is involved.
Bam. You are a man.
Thank you. You are a man. Thank you.
See, wonder shall never end. Eh? I still can't believe all of this.
You know, of a truth, it happened before my very three eyes. The woman appears so innocent after repeating everything the chief priest has said. But to my surprise, suddenly the woman began to misbehave. And before anybody could say what was happening, and the woman lost her senses.
But did she confess? What did the chief priest and the mother-in-law resolve to do with her?
Well, the aggrieved woman left with orders. The elders and the chief priest were scheduled for the next Afro market to hear the final verdict from the girls.
Honestly, I still can't believe that this method is still active and practiced in this our community till date.
Well, don't tell me that you believed in these old barbaric ways of seeking justice.
I don't understand you. I thought you said you witnessed everything.
Yes, I did.
So, didn't you solve the mystery by proving the woman is guilty?
So, confirmed by who? Who confirmed it?
The gods of our land, of course, through the chief priest.
No, he surprised me. You know, it was the same thing I was debating with my father. The last time he saw us coming from the so-called shrine. That the old ways of seeking justice. Okay, listen. What if the chief priest or someone else had played a fast one on the woman or the daughter-in-law just for some personal interest? Haven't you thought about?
Well, I'm not, really in support of this whole ancient method. Do you understand? Because me, I am a Christian. Yes, a true Christian. I'm not in support of it. I'm just surprised. I don't know that this method is still very active in this our community till now.
Well,
wow.
My own is that
human life should not be just trampled on like a noodle. It's not good, it's not fair. It's not.
We should find another means of seeking justice and making sure that whoever is guilty is confirmed by something, at least something better than that old ways,
Chinwe, honestly, I can't help but to think that this Kachi's case has a link with Papa's death.
Did you say he was among the people arrested yesterday?
Yes. That was what I heard. And they also said he's behind the child trafficking, kidnapping that has been going on in the community.
6, hold on. This is more than a mere coincidence. Kachi is linked to the murder case I am handling right in my office. And to admit, Kachi was the same person Papa wanted Arinze to stay away from just few minutes before he went missing. And all of a sudden, Arinze became rich. How? Sis, this is way bigger than what we thought. A lot is going on and I need to keep investigating.
At least now you're seeing things from my own point of view. Chinwe, if after all this, it appears that my assumptions are right, that Arinze has a hand in Papa's death, Chinwe, get ready to bury both of us. get ready to bury Arinze and I, because I will stop at nothing to see Arinze's downfall.
Oh, no, please relax. It hasn't gotten to that. Let us keep investigating. We need more evidence while we await his arrival. Right? We need to pin him down. But we have to be smart.
It's okay. I'll still call you later.
Please take care of yourself and stay safe.
Don't conclude before you think. Think very well before you come to conclusion. When you pass your own judgment, think very well before you come to conclusion. Mind where you pass your own judgment.
If you know how happy I am, more than happy. In fact, Aribobo, you are the. In fact, I do not regret giving you this opportunity. You are the best person for this particular deal. My partners are so happy. In fact, what you have just gotten for us now, there will be more deals to come. Are you serious? When? That's okay. That's very okay. I think your sisters will be more than happy. Chinwa and Nonya will be very happy to see you back. Okay. No, that's not a problem now. That's not a problem. That one is sealed itself. In fact, my partners are saying they want to see you again. They want you to be part of the next deal. So we can plan that again today. No. That's not that one now. From now henceforth, we are going to call you Arinze the Drifter. Arizona the Drifter. I got the title also again. Oh, what I go? Well, there's no problem. No problem. Sure, why not? Why not? No worries. Nah, I'm so surprised. This guy is gifted in this line of business. Imagine first time this guy maneuvered the Interpol. First trip. This is something else. Oh, Jonato, I was so scared. Hi. Arizona.
Don't conclude before you think. Think very well before you come to conclusion. Mind where you pass your own judgment. Think very well before you come to conclusion.
Well, Dick, you Dick, I'm so happy about you girls. You have done me so proud for completing your secondary schools and then coming out fine, making good grades. I'm so happy, and I'm sure your mother too will be happy wherever she is. Take granite.
Thank you, Papa.
Take your own.
You know I like granite.
Eat your own now.
Papa, no.
Papa, I promise to keep making you proud. Even when I get admission into the university, I'll keep working hard, keep studying, just to make you proud. And you know I told you I want to study medicine.
Hey, Papa.
Yes.
Me too. I'll continue to work hard so that I can clear all my papers and continue when I get admission to study law, so that I can make you proud.
Yes. Well, you see, both of you have spoken well. You have good dreams and aspirations, but you see, this idea of going to university, we have to do some adjustments.
Papa.
Yes, you have to consider our current situation. And judging from the kind of liberal work I do, it will be difficult for me to sponsor both of you through university with the choices of courses you want to do, coupled with your brother who will be graduating soon. It has always been me catering for all of you. Nobody asking me, all of you are witnesses to what happens here. My brother will come here, so that is why I said we have to.
So, Papa, you don't want us to study our choice of course?
No. That's not exactly what I mean. I'm afraid one must drop for the other. You know,
I'm not dropping.
you know,
Papa.
determine who will
Papa.
drop for.
Papa. Papa. Papa, so who do you have in mind to drop? I hope I'm not one because I'm not dropping. If I want to become a lawyer.
No, I know.
Papa, just face that side and so.
I am not going to drop, but you have to see me through in the university.
The fact is that you are a replica of your mother. When your mother was alive, she made a whole lot of sacrifices.
And that's
Those
true.
sacrifices she made is what is still keeping us to where we are today. I'm telling you the real fact. You know, you remind me of her. Exactly what your mother did is what is keeping us. So you must step in for your siblings.
No, I'm not stepping in for
You stand in for them, please.
I'm not. But I look like my mother. Doesn't make me my mother. I'm not my mother, please. My mother did not go to school. You say I'm replica of my mother. Who is she replica of?
This is exactly what your mother did. She's always my life support. And you just have the heart of your mother. But I know you are the one that will do that. This will be shaped about you. She cannot.
I'm sure myself. Papa, let me tell you, life is not fair. That's why you are dark. Just allow me go to school first. I am the baby of the house. That's how it is done. Right, Papa?
What sort of rubbish is this? Why are you people bent on frustrating me in this house? Look how they're laughing at me in public. Calling me, I get why I did not go to school. I'm tired though. You people are really treating me bad in this family. You're really treating me bad. I don't want to go to school. This is wickedness. You left only me in the house. I'm the one doing all the house chores, going to stream, fetching water, sewing clothes, doing everything. I want to go to school.
It's okay. You see, in life, whatever anyone does, people must say words. You don't need to listen to them. If you begin to pay attention to them, you have BP. Do you know the type of things I hear when I go to a bar waiting for someone to call me for work? People talk. They say a whole lot of things, but I don't pay attention to them. Eh? People must talk.
I want to go to school. I want to go to school. You can't even leave me in this house. By the time you will finish from law school, that will be how many years? I'll now start thinking of writing jam to gain admission to study medicine.
That's not how to calculate things. If you calculate it like that, you will not be, all will not be well with your head. Ibara. If you see what is in this brain, yet I don't want to pay attention to them because the brain will burst. What? Ozugo. Kunite.
I cannot be in this fetching water.
I will be going to fetch the water.
After I will fetch it. I will not fetch tomorrow. I will just fetch it. I want to go to school.
Hi. Gods of my fathers, why does she need to go through all this? Please, come for my rescue and restore peace and joy in the lives of my children. Nonye, let me go and fetch it. Just give me the gallons. Let me go and fetch it. You hear? I will go and fetch it. You know you are my only brother. Yes, I'm a Jupano. Good. Would you like to hear that I am being arrested for a crime out of a frustration for not sending my children to school? Would you like to hear it?
The cause forbid.
Good.
Not even in my family. Not even you, my brother. Brother, you are just confusing me. What is it? What exactly do you want?
Good day. I need your help. Could you please lend me some money? Or better still, can we sell the piece of land that our father left for us situated in front of his compound, so that I will use the money I will realize from it and send my children to the university.
Pico, brother, you see, you get me more confused. Which of the land are we talking about?
Why are you talking like this? How many lands does our father have?
Let me ask you, brother, because I don't understand. Why do you want us to sell off that land? If you have decided to sell your own portion of the land, of the piece of land that is left after our father gave us an ubi, then let us do the needful. And the needful is you and myself involving the homeowner so that they will share the land. Whatever you want to do with your own portion, who will question you, who will query you? As for me, I am not ready to sell off my land now. So let the homeowner come and share the land. Whatever you wish with your own, nobody will stop you. Well, as for me, I am not ready to sell anything now. I don't have ready, Chacha.
It is obvious you don't understand the type of situation I am into. I am at the verge of losing my first daughter's love towards me because I can't send them to university. I am begging you, Ude. This is the only thing I am asking of you. Let us sell the land so that I will use the bulk I will realize from it to solve this problem once and for all. You and I know that if I sell a half of my own, that half will not be enough to see my children through to university. Worse still, nobody will like to buy a half plot without an access road. Of course, you know that if I sell that half that I have, of course, nobody will like to buy it. There's no access road leading to the other one. So let's sell it as whole as it is so that you will have bulk and I will have bulk to solve my problem. It's as simple as this. I won't have a land and I'll be suffering from the frustration and the humiliation here and there. These children are crying woe by the day and hypertension just boom.
But I think I've made myself clear to you. Honestly, I am not ready to sell off my share now or to give it out for anybody's university fee. I think I'm ready.
Ude, recall that when you nearly died of hypertension, I was the one that saved you. That woman nearly killed you. I was the one that sent her packing. Because you were so obsessed with her backside and all that. When Okonta came here and arrested you because of palm fruit, said palm fruit did not say I personally went to meet the DPO and bailed you out from that police station. Tell me, have you ever done anything for me? And this is the only thing I decided to ask of you.
Brother, I know you did all of that. But if you go near, I don't think Nange Menwe. I tell on Nange Menwe Biko.
Ude, if there won't be meaning like this, honestly, you're showing me the other side of you that I've never experienced.
Oh, I don't know how to tell you this. I don't know how to make you understand me too. I ever go good.
See, also my kinsman, you should not allow this issue to bring problem between you and your brother with them, or your children in the future. Do the right thing. If you want to sell your share for the family land, just divide it equally. Let Ude take his own portion of land. Then you can go ahead and sell your own portion of land. Simple.
I have not said anything or showed him any reason to begin to think I want to have an issue with my brother Ude.
Well, that may be true or not. Your brother Ude came to report you for the head of Umona earlier today, demanding that you want to sell the family land just to take your daughter to university. And they sent me to just know what is going on between you and him.
Why would my brother do something like that? There was never a time I proved stubborn that I'm going to go ahead with my initial plans. Why did I even go to him to discuss this whole thing in the first place?
Also, don't you think you are making a great mistake by selling that your family land just to take your daughter to university? Are you the only one that doesn't know that female children are not supposed to cost much in training them? If she's through in college, just let her get married so you can use the money you realize from the bride price and take care of the other. Can I even suggest something to you? Do you know Mazin Dudi? The meat seller in Yam.
Yes, I know it.
Okay. He told me his intention of getting second wife. And your daughter, Nonyelu, is in the rightful age for that marriage. So you see, you don't have any problem again. Dragging land with your brother, you don't have to.
Over my dead body with such fate before my beautiful daughters, especially my Ada, Chukum Nonyelum, also Nabike, it will never happen. Female child or male child, I love my children equally. Even if it means using my last strength to work for money and send my girls to university, I will do it. I will go all out and work for money to send my girls to school. Now, Subempua. I can leave my compound before Mbwati. Leave my compound before Mbwati. Leave my compound. I go see Bawagobi. I go inside the smoke. One mother will go into. You will go into. Anovia. Let me see your left legs here in this compound. Ngwagi Hendi Mojin Tokeme. You can imagine his useless suggestion. If not the shape of his head. By me looking at his head, imagine shadowing draw to him in Azakam. It's a poor beans. Anovia. Ude, I was born a child, but I was not born in the night. I am not going to allow you to rip me off my right. I may be financially incapacitated, but I went through that standard 6. So I know the importance of education. Are you hearing me? I must sell that land. Anything that revolves that land, I will sell it.
Nabike, nobody's disputing all this your blah 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 blah. But I totally disagree with you. You will not sell any portion of land from our father.
You cannot stop me, Ude.
Huh?
Yes.
See, let me tell you. Even though you are the first son of this family, does not give you the right to sell our father's land. You will not do it.
Not when it has to do by selling my own portion of the land to send my children to school, especially my girls.
No, can you listen to yourself? You want to train a girl that will get married tomorrow and change to another man's surname.
What business of yours is it? Whether she's bearing somebody's name in future or not is none of your business. My business is that I want to train my children. All I know is that my children, especially my girls, will become somebody in future. And that will achieve by sending them to school. If you are not comfortable with that today, I will involve the elders.
Who is afraid of elders? I am not scared of them. You can go now, tell them. Go now, I'm waiting for some elders.
I have been wasting my time talking with you. We shall see.
We shall see nothing, Nabike. We shall see nothing. I am capable of anything. Can you imagine?
They will go to school. They will become someone.
They look for money elsewhere, but not for my father's land. We shall see nothing. Can you imagine? Okay.
You will see my girls tomorrow. You will come down and bow before
nothing.
You will bow before them. That is this little jealous that is disturbing you. Your son, that
is not your business.
Okay. Your own future is dead with your son.
Okay, now.
All my girls will become somebody.
Papa, you made a mistake now. I mean, you shouldn't have argued with him on this matter. You know that the land is still yours, no matter how they want to say it.
No, you leave this whole thing. Eh? The matter is left for the others to judge. I will report it to the others. They will judge it fairly.
And I know Uncle Ude. Uncle Ude can be very intimidating.
Not any longer. All I am this time around, giant. I will use that trowel I used to go to work with. I use it and cut off his ears. All of you must become somebody in future. Not even Ude will be a cog in the wheel of my progress. They will bow down for all of you. They will bow down. Up in this village, they will bow down. All of them are enemies within. Only you'll be seen a demon personified.
Yeah, but Papa, still try and relate this whole matter with the elders, okay?
That is exactly what I'm going to do. I will report to them and see what will come out. I am ready for any kind of person that will rear up his head, his ugly head. Baby.
It's okay.
All of them. They will see you, your sister, your brother becoming something they've never imagined in this village. Amen. For Christmas.
Amen. It's okay, Papa. It's your land. Oh? It's okay. Thank you.
Ude, don't allow your brother to overthrow you on this land issue. How can he sell land to train girls in school? Don't worry, I will come back very soon.
Akam, my brother. But you know the kind of person I am, Ude na him and Onyembo. You know Ude very, very well. You know what I'm capable of doing. Yes, I would have fight it to the last. But he has a backup from the palace. He has already reported this issue to the palace. So they are not supporting him that I should allow him to sell his own portion of the land. So, Ebaka Ugudo.
Really?
Yes. Now, my problem is that it's like they knew you travel. And that's why you are not aware. They knew you travel. This your traveling is my problem. You know you are my backbone. You know anything I do, I always have agreement with you to know what to do. But you are not here. If you go near, so give it just come now. But not to worry. As a senior brother, by the time he die, I will teach his children lesson and let them know that I am now their brother's, their father's brother.
Yeah, listen to me very carefully. I don't want to repeat myself. And I'm a Nina Bishapala. If you go from this pantry, 1, 2, 3. From there down to this road is your own.
From this one,
1, 2, 3. Down this side. Exactly.
Okay.
Nabike, from this pantry to the other pantry there, exactly that one. Correct. Direct to this road. It is all yours.
Thank you. Obueshi Makagene. Makagene.
Makanoto logo.
Oto.
You see where I'm
Now you are starting to
record of this man.
to my friend.
No problem.
Agelimbeku.
Agelimbeku. Monoga Bunaba.
And you, I say calm down.
I know why I'm keeping you quiet.
And you.
You making it. You making it. What did I do?
You are trying to challenge my authority. And if Matabunian Nenu Abamu will your chair, be very, very careful. Men make many things. So,
all right. We shall see. Go get you. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
It's okay. It's okay. I know how you feel. So, I didn't know you were in this sad mood. Please there. You need to stop crying so you don't hurt yourself. It broke me on hearing what happened to your father. Mazi also. Huh? Please, baby. I know you miss him so much. We know that too. Okay? He's really sad, but you don't have to go through all of that alone anymore. I'm here with you now. Okay? And we all miss him too. It's just so sad. Such a good man. Oh, please, baby. Please. Please, please. It's okay. I know how you feel. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay.
Yes, I am actually on my way home now.
Are you sure you really want to stay in that house all alone? After all you told me your sister witnessed.
Why not? What is the danger? Moreover, my sister will be on her way back to the city shortly. You see, I can't leave her all alone in that house. We need to fight this battle together. I'm not a coward, so I'm not running away.
Just in case you've changed your mind, do not forget to call me. Or if anything should come up.
That's fine. Mr. Johnson, I need you to focus. Concentrate on the names I gave to you, especially my brother. I need you to dig more evidence.
Yeah, I'll keep in touch some other time.
What is it?
I saw. I saw a pistol pounding in the kitchen, pounding inside an empty mortar.
A pistol?
Yes, a pistol. Yes.
Are you serious?
Is
this still pounding?
Go inside and check.
No, I can't check. A lot has been happening in this house lately. I told you now, I kept seeing ghosts everywhere.
Are you scared?
Of course I'm scared.
Go and check. Seriously, I couldn't believe that. You know, my sister has been saying that she saw my father's ghost appearing and other strange things happening in the house. So I didn't want to take all of that, you know, until I witnessed it yesterday myself.
So, how are you girls sure that your brother killed your father for money to change? He might not be guilty.
Johnson, why then do my father keep appearing in his house if he's not guilty?
He might have an important message to pass to both of you, but because both of you are scared because it's now a spirit, possibility is very slim for him to do that.
An important message?
Yes.
Now listen, let me tell you. If my father have an important message to deliver to us, he would appear in the dream and tell us whatever it is, not the other way around.
You might be right.
Johnson, let me shock you. My father also appeared to the gate man.
Don't say.
I'm telling you.
Are you serious?
I am serious. And now let me tell you, I believe Arinze killed my father. Arinze used my father for ritual, and trust me, I will bring justice to my father no matter what it costs.
This is serious.
He must be made to swear an oath before our community deity. If he so claims he's innocent, let's see.
Do you think he will agree to that? Arinze, our brother, is so stubborn, and it matters like this. It's not easy for him to accept.
Arinze may be stubborn, but me, I am equally stubborn when it comes to matters like this. Yes, if that process is known to be effective by our community people, and they have supported this process over the years, then what stops Arinze from coming out open to swear? Arinze's opinion will not hold water. Yes, Arinze cannot stand against the entire community. He can't. He doesn't have the power.
That's true. You're right. Let me ask you something. Are you yet to discover the source of his income? Because I'm investigating on that, but I'm yet to get an answer.
My dear, I have tried severally. Anytime I try to bring up conversation concerning his source of income, Arinze narrowly look for a way to, divert the whole conversation. He doesn't like talking about it. He doesn't. Are you hearing him?
Yes, I can hear that sound. I think it's coming from the kitchen.
I think so too. I can't go in there. I think something is pounding.
Yes, that's why we have to go and check.
Can you stay in front?
No, you go first.
Is he worried? Could worry be in there?
Worry! Arinze!
Arinze traveled now. Are you sensible at all?
That's true. Let's go and find out. Worry can't be there. He should. It has stopped to go. Onye.
Who is there? Who is there? Who is there? Who is there? Hello? Hello?
I don't understand. You're not coming back next week again. Why? What? That's not enough. I understand, but that's not enough.
No, now that's not a problem. Guy, that's what you'd have said. I will go there myself. I will pay them a visit and speak to them. That's not a problem.
Is it not Chinwan? No, you don't worry about that. I'll talk to them. Exactly. I will do that. Let me visit these guys. These guys I want to see. Now I'm actually driving, as you can see. Then after that, I will pay them a visit. Please. That's better. Leave it to me. Is it not Nanya Chimwe? Leave it to me. I'll speak to them. Alright, there's no problem. You nearly scared me, oh my God. You nearly scared me. Because I'm already ready to welcome you now. You know, I'm happy to see you. Yeah. Arizona the drifter. And I'm proud of, I can't wait to see you one day. Be honest with each other. These are your sisters now, so that's no problem. I know how to talk to them. I don't know how my brother, there's no problem. We'll talk later. Which voice am I hearing around you? Arize. Okay, Ruban.
Yes, because fighting will not solve the problem at all. You guys need to employ every form of love and maturity by sorting this out amicably.
Amicably, you said. If we don't act this way, Arinze will not take us serious. You see, if that's your friend, he's so stubborn and we are ready for him. Arinze has a lot of explanation to do. What happened to our father? Why is our father disappearing and appearing to us every now and then? What did he do with our father's body? Otayatako no, you know. Which of them?
Do you guys want me to be honest with you guys? I strongly believe Arinze is innocent. Arinze that I know cannot hurt a fly.
Then he should come out and prove his innocence. Why is he hiding?
Because of your attitude. You're making him feel uncomfortable.
Oh.
Yes.
So, you mean to tell us that Arinze ran away? No. Arinze traveled to London to run away from us. It will not work. Tell him to keep running. After running, he will come back and meet us in this house. We are ready for him. This time is fire to fire. Tell Arinze he will not escape my wrath. At him bad. I am fully prepared for him. Oh, do I look like I care? Oh.
What have come over you guys?
Yeah. Is there something you're not telling us?
Like what?
Are you also into rituals like Arinze?
Are you okay?
Are
you guys okay?
Oga is a lie. He must swear. Tell him to come back and prove his innocence. Did he kill my father? Is he a ritualist? What is it? Why is he running away? Arinze must swear, oh. He must swear. I think he will not come back. He will come back. When he's done staying over in abroad, he will come back. Will he live there forever? He can't live in abroad forever.
These things you guys are doing is the main reason this guy is running away. With this whole, I'm telling you the truth. With all these things you guys are doing, Arinze won't be back. And you cannot kill him. You will not do him anything. I know Arinze too well. If you talk to him over the phone in this manner, he won't come back. He is going to remain there.
Yes, because you're being so defensive about this matter. Are you a ritualist? Come out open and tell us.
Okay, excuse me. It's no longer about Arinze. It's now Arinze and Obele, right?
Yes, Obele, answer us. Are you a ritualist?
Tell us. Are you?
Yes, we will understand.
You guys have a problem. This is a mental health issue. You guys are hallucinating. You guys are seriously hallucinating.
Oga, do you know how you feel?
What is it about delusional? What is it about? We are telling you that we keep seeing our father every now and then, and you're telling us about delusion. Are you okay?
Okay, it's okay, Nanya and Chinwe.
Oh, get outside!
What is it? Do you know how it hurts? Our father keep appearing and disappearing every now and then. Did we use our father for ritual?
Please.
Nanya and Chinwe, can you listen to me? We are all family.
Our father is appearing to us in this house. You're saying that he's delusional. Can you even hear yourself?
Is it your father that's been disappearing?
You're saying to us, you're telling us delusional.
Please don't.
not try being patient with you, Arinze Chukwu Ozo Nabike? Why not save my soul and give me eternal rest?
Papa, what are you talking about? I've never wronged you. I searched for you all through the period you went missing. I did everything a good son would do for his father when you were around. I mourned you for 6 years, Papa. What else would you want me to do that I didn't do for you? Why do you make me feel bad before my sisters and the whole world? Why do you make me feel like I'm a demon? Why are you tormenting me?
Save my soul, Arinze Chukwu, and give me eternal rest.
Eh?
Arinze Chukwu, save my soul and give me eternal rest.
I didn't do anything.
Arinze Chukwu, save my soul and give me eternal rest. Arinze Chukwu, save my soul.
I did not kill you, Papa.
Arinze Chukwu, give me peace.
It's your soul, Ugi. It's your soul.
Arinze Chukwu, give me eternal rest.
I did not. Papa, you don't want to let in my house, Papa.
Give me eternal rest.
It's your soul, Ugi.
Give me eternal rest. Arinze, give me eternal rest.
But will you be saying the truth? Save my soul. Is this a warm welcome I'm supposed to receive from my family after coming back from a long trip? What's the meaning of this?
Oga, not be say that they talk. Even myself, I dey see am. Sometimes I go see am for day, sometimes na night, sometimes na middle of the day.
You shut up your mouth, you fool. Whose voice do you hear? Whose?
See, Arinze, this is not the matter of shouting your way out. Like I told you before, I must get to the root of this. Even if it costs the last drop of my blood, I must get to it.
Oh, yeah?
Yes! Arinze, yes! I mean, how do you explain the persistent hovering of our father's spirit in this house? Yes, tormenting everyone! Is it not tormenting you?
This is!
Listen, Arinze, you must follow us to the village. You must swear an oath before the deity and before the elders of our land. Not knowing what happened to our father.
Very simple, Arinze.
Over my dead body.
Over your dead body.
Yes.
Arinze, over your dead body. Let me tell you, it's better be over your dead body. What is all this, Arinze? Everything is getting out of hand. Let me tell you, you will have to swear before the deity. You will swear before the elders. What happened to our father, Arinze? You will swear.
Let me see how you're going to force me to that.
We will force you.
You
I will fight you. You will have to
swear your innocence.
I will say you will swear.
Murderer! You killed our father! You are a murderer! Murderer!
Correct, Daniel and Arinze.
How did you even know it?
House.
Oh, murderer! You drank his blood!
It has not
Tell us how you did it!
It has not
ended!
Oh, where God!
Oh, where God!
Shameless man!
What's going on here? Don't tell me you both have been sitting outside here waiting for me to come back before you go into the house. What are you scared of?
Were you able to make anything out of our father's disappearance? the sudden visitation of ghosts in this house, the warnings and everything.
Wait, you really have been waiting for me all this while to come back so you can ask me this? And you, Chinwe, you believe this?
We demand answers. We all know Father went missing. But where he went to, I don't know. She doesn't know. And it's beginning to look like you know about Father's disappearance. Herinze, why must Father always appear in your house? And why is he demanding you save his soul? Herinze, what have you done to our Father?
How dare!
Don't you ever in your entire life think of raising your hand on her. What is it? We demand an explanation. A logical one at that. The truth about our Father's whereabouts. We demand that answers now. Herinze, what happened to our Father?
Are you okay?
Let the plans of our enemies burn to ashes.
Let's just keep burning.
Let it burn.
Yes, this is how some people will burn.
This is how you will burn.
Let it burn. Keep burning.
Burn.
Yes, evil people.
We do not even do this.
Madam, what they do no good though?
Happy way. You should be. That's your black. Useless thing. Let it burn.
We are here.
Murderer.
Yes, you cannot do anything.
Murderer. Ritualist. That's what you are. Yes!
Yes!
Evil plans!
Do you know what you have just done? How could you? How could you?
Are you dead?
No, I'm alive. Are you breathing?
We're alive. I don't want to die, no.
I thought I said what they do no good. It's no good. Huh?
You say? Huh?
I said
Who said that?
I said it. This man is a murderer. You killed our father. Now you want to kill us. You cannot kill us.
Shoot us.
You cannot kill us.
Why did you do it? You're not a man. Bring it on and shoot us, murderer. You bloody murderer. Bring out our father! Bring his corpse out! Murderer! Stupid boy!
What did you say?
Rubbish! Ritualist!
Shameless man! You like father, like boss, like get man. I will play with you.
This thing is not burning well. This thing needs to burn well. It's not burning well.
Mama, come this way. He has a gun, so he will not kill you.
You like this? We kill man! We kill him!
Yes,
we kill him! You said, brother! Step on him! We'll sue him to cut.
Holy Moses! You guys did what? You shouldn't have done that. Oh, you girls went too far. What if you had put trigger on you girls? Oh, you shouldn't have done that or engage in any physical or direct confrontation with your brother. Ah, so where are you now? Well, look, you guys should be very careful. I don't want anything to happen to you. Because if anything happens to you, I will not forgive myself or anybody. Well, apart from the one called Kachi, none of the men seem to have anything to do with your brother. All right, I'll keep trying there. See you soon. Be careful.
I said it. I said it at that Herinze. Anyawa. Neniam, Chai. Those are my brother. Hi. Ewo.
Well, I remember Nayelem here when she first opened up to me on this matter. I advised her to go and investigate and verify this matter concerning the disappearance of their father in the city. This matter is more than 6 years ago since their father died. As at now, it's beyond me. I can't control it. So I am suggesting that all of us here will discuss and find a way forward to handle this matter.
And I'll call it. There is nothing to discuss, brother. There is nothing. Can you find him? Arinze, my nephew, will have to come back here and tell us what happened to my brother, his father.
Simple.
That's all. He will come and tell us why he used my late for money ritual, or he will be made to take an oath.
Bam.
I will not swear any oath for anybody. If the heavens will fall, let them fall.
You must, Arinze, you must. Your sisters here, they have told us what has been going on in your big house in the city. We were told you have a big house back there in the city. But look at your father's compound. Looking like a ghost pain. Your uncle. The only surviving uncle you have in this family. Dying of hunger. Yes, we cannot enjoy your money because it's not from God.
It's not from God.
Yes. It's not from the right source. Blood money.
Uncle, you would have told me it's money you want. If you told me you wanted money, I would have given it to you, loads of it. Instead, you went to connive with all this never-do-wells in this village to come and tell me to take an oath. If anything wants to happen, I will not do it.
You must swear.
Okay, swear.
You must swear.
Arinze, my son. Calm down. Shouting and fighting will not solve this problem.
At all.
As I said earlier on, we would like you to educate us in 3 things. 1, about your missing father. Secondly, his ghost that is appearing in your house in the city everywhere. Like your sister said. Good. And finally, what is the nature of your business? Please educate us.
Zanian, answer now.
Ebele,
You're not going anywhere.
Come
and leave. Why are you allowing him to leave now?
Come and swear.
Arinze, come and swear if you claim your innocence.
Evil man. Look at them.
Murderer.
Birds of same feather.
Ritualists.
They flock together.
See what they are wearing? Red and black.
Yes,
red, black and
that's
white.
that simple.
After all the sacrifice he made, just for us to make it in life. Oh God, this wasn't the plan. Jima, this wasn't Papa's wish. Actually, for
What's wrong?
Now you see the kind of pressure I'm under. You see the kind of pressure these girls are putting me under. See the kind of pressure my own blood sisters are putting me under simply because they want me to go to jail for something they think I did which I did not do.
Arinze, calm down first.
And you know, if I decide to dig deep into this, I'm going to reveal our kind of business. And that is not good for us.
Okay. That's so true. In that case, yes, we'll journey across the rivers. Yes, I have a place that I am 100% sure that once we get there, everything concerning your dad missing whatever the ghost will be revealed. 100% I'm sure, Arinze. So don't bother yourself.
You mean there is somewhere we can go and they will reveal all of these things to us?
Not too far, yes. 100%. We don't even need to waste time.
Across the river?
Across the rivers, yes.
Please, you will take me there.
That's not a problem.
You will take me there, Obele.
That's not a problem. Just calm down. Everything will be, all these things will be sorted. Huh?
to be sorted out. What's to go? Are you sure you can drive? I don't think go bad. Huh? Calm down. Oh, it's all
Chinwe, honestly, I am having double mind about this oath taking. You know I'm a strong Christian. Eh? I can't be seen going to the shrine to, partake in such acts. No. I can't.
So what do you suggest we do?
I suggest, we go meet my pastor for that 7 days prayer I told you about. 7 days fasting and prayer. By the time he will be done with that prayer, Arinze will start confessing.
Wow. Very smart. Now let me ask you this. Where was your pastor when Papa got missing? Now, where was your pastor when Arinze used our father for ritual? Answer me. No problem. If you want us to go to your pastor, that's fine. Who am I? But I have one question to ask your pastor when I get there. The moment we get there, I'll ask him, Pastor, no, yes, Pastor, where were you when my father got missing? Is it that your powers weren't functioning very well then, or you just acquired more powers? Pastor, do you now have a bit of shaker? Dangusa? Which of the powers do you want to use now?
Don't just insult my pastor. All I'm saying is that this oath taking, it doesn't augur well with me.
No. How do you not insult your pastor? I can't. If you don't want us to take him to the shrine to swear, then we will take it legally. I'll sue him to court. In fact, what I'm going to do is tomorrow morning I will go straight to the court and acquire court injunction and sue him. That's all. It's very simple.
Can you even hear yourself? Sue your brother?
Yes.
How are we supposed to explain that to the people?
It's not difficult. My sister don't want us to take it the traditional way, so I decided to take it the legal way. It's simple. Besides, I'm a lawyer.
What do you want? Let it not come from my mouth, because such thing cannot come out from my mouth. I'm a child of God, Christian. So what do you want? How do you want it to be done?
I've gathered enough evidence already to take my brother to court.
We can't take him.
We are fighting for justice for Papa.
I know.
It's either we take him to court or we take him to swear the oath. It's simple. But I'm not in support of your pastor. What can your pastor do?
My pastor can hold 7 days fasting and prayer.
And he did not hold 7 days fasting and prayer all these years. For 6 good years, no fasting and prayer. Please, you have to decide.
It's fine.
God or oath?
It's coming from your mouth. If you say it's the other evil way, fine. Anyway.
Oath is not evil. Taking him to court is not evil too.
If that is what you want, then let's go with it.
We'll go with it.
What is this thing that I'm hearing about? Accusing your brother Arinze of having hands in your father's missing. Of having hands in your father's missing. And even taking to that old way to take an oath. Why?
You've heard it all. So what else do you wish to hear? Huh?
Lawyer, after all my advice to you about these elders and their trickish ways of manipulating people into these old ways of getting justice or seeking justice, don't you see what they're trying to do to you and your family?
Biabuchi, honestly, I really do not understand you. So what do you expect me to do? To fold my hands and watch one idiot who killed my father go scot-free? No, I'm not channeled that way, please.
I never said so. Even that someone is your blood brother, Noe, you still want to take him to swear an oath.
I do not care. All I want is for my father's spirit to rest in peace. That's all I want. So please, save this your sermon for your church people. You heard me. So I was very busy before you called me. I have to go back.
Are you leaving me here?
Rich from what kind of stuff?
No, yeah?
Someone that killed my father, you expect me to give him.
No, yeah?
You're my very good friend. Or should I start calling you Chief Ude in advance?
Honestly, my friend,
You can act,
you have not seen anything.
Hey!
I can never allow that boy to ride on me because he has money.
You mean his father blood money? That is not genuine.
Whichever it is called, I think this is the opportunity I've been quietly eating to have. You know, to clip the wings of those children, especially Arinze. Whether he's guilty or not, I will make sure he did not come back for this. And when Arinze is gone, I will not be the only surviving male in the family. And you know what that means? I will... Can't get it. Oh, no, everybody is well too. I'm telling you, I'm
my friend.
Come on, get you na reason I'm a